TokiDoki unboxing. I am obsessed with these. I thought they were so cute. I bought one, opened it, fell in love, bought like 15 boxes of different versions. This one is the Botanical Harmony version. I already opened one. This was the one that I got. It was probably my least favorite, but it was still really cute. I think it's like a ficus. And then I opened another one, and this one I really loved. I think she is so pretty. She's like a cherry blossom tree, but she's like fiery and cute. Little gravel pot. I did buy 3 boxes of these. So I would be really happy if I get any of these floral ones. These are really cute. I already got that one out of the way and that one. I don't know about these rock ones. These ones are kind of plain to me. The chase is really pretty, but I know that one's really hard to get. I'm really sad that I have to destroy this box because it's like a little lotus flower, but it's so cute. But oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, they come with these little stickers. They don't tell you what's in the bag, by the way. They're all this one little sticker. All right. So let's see what's in this box. Ooh. Oh, how cute. It's like a little fern. I can hang this one. Okay. I'm okay with this one. This one's fine. All right. Next box. Oh, it's a duplicate. Another little ficus plant. All right. If anybody wants a little ficus unicorno, I guess this one's up for grabs. All right. Last box. Give me something good. Are you freaking kidding me? I bought these at like 2 different stores. Oh my god. Is that damn ficus? Okay. So this is my TokiDoki haul from my boxes. I got 3 of these, which I'm really sad about because this is like my least favorite one. And then I got these 2, which are really cute. And I like this one because you can hang it. Okay, but I'm really upset about this. What am I supposed to do with all these?